Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear reviews and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. It's been a long time since my last video. Work and kids really absorb all my time, but I would like to give you an update on what's going on with my life. I mean, I'm getting into FPV, and let's say that in the last month I watched like tons of hours of videos to understand how to proper get into FPV. I've been playing on a simulator already. I've ordered a remote control, and today I got in the mail my first drone, and let's see what I got.
Oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this.
Yeah, I got a CineWoop to start, and I just got this box today from iFlight, and it's amazing. I mean, I also got some spare sets of propellers, and the drone itself looks amazing. If you guys are asking if I'm able to fly, the answer is at the moment no. I'm still waiting for the controller. It's on the way from China. I bought it from Banggood. iFlight sent me this to review, so I'm waiting for some components to come together. I still don't have a pair of goggles. I'll probably go with some Fat Shark binocular goggles, but still have to decide that. But in the meantime, I want to share with you this that became an obsession in the last days. I mean, all the stuff you buy from China takes ages to get here, and there's no providers in Europe. And this was the beast I was dreaming of. And I saw videos online, and it works perfectly. And I can mount a GoPro on and start doing some cinematic footage. I mean, this thing is really small and light and can fit wherever. This is designed for internal purposes. I mean, you can fly around people, and even if you bounce, nobody will get hurt. And I still have to figure out how to configure this in Betaflight. I'll probably do a video on that. As I told you, I'm a virgin under this point of view, so I don't know. I mean, it's a challenge I'm looking forward to do, and you know, it's like a new hobby. I mean, I love drones, and the moment had to come where I get close to FPVs. I just realized I didn't get the battery I've asked for in the mail, so not even one. I mean, one should have been included in the package. I asked for 3 or 4. So I just wrote iFlight, and I'm sure they will take care of that. As soon as I have them, I will be ready to fly. I'm excited to start this new journey, and I would love to show you through. I mean, I was afraid at the beginning. I was scared of the FPV world. I'm starting to understand a little bit of how it works, and how actually hard it is to pilot it and have control. This is like FPV drone have nothing to do with regular drone that we used to fly. We just press one button and it hovers. Forget that. I mean, you need to control. It's like eight different directions that your 2 fingers need to control. So I'm trying to develop my own technique on how to like hover and move around. That will come in other videos. I'm not pretending to teach you how to fly FPV. I just want to tell you my journey through learning this. I'm actually playing a lot on DRL simulator, Drone Racing League, and probably I'll get liftoff. Many of the YouTube reviewers are talking really well about liftoff, and probably I'll download that and do a video of me flying and crashing in that simulator. I mean, at least I don't damage anything. I want to be sure that I'll be able to fly the drone before even plugging in the battery. So that's something you need to keep in mind. You will need training, many hours of training on the simulator to understand how like drone physics work. That was a short update for today, just telling you what's up with my life. Work is fine, kids are okay, and new passion is here, and hopefully I will learn to fly in not long. Finger crossed. Smash the like button, guys, if you like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.